Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the aggregate transformations in SSIS. What is this aggregate transformation? The aggregate transformations applies aggregate functions such as minimum, average, sum, count, group by. Few more options we have, like to column values and copies that result into the transformation output port. Okay, let me open the SSDT and show you, create a new package here. Just to give a meaningful name for this. Drag and drop the DFT task. Connect to the OLDB connection. Since I already have the same thing I'm using here. And drag and drop the OLDB source into the data for task. TBL regions is the table which I'm considering. This is the table, and it has the 6 records. I'm going to group based on the TBL regions. Okay, column. I'm going to use the aggregate transformation. Where is that? Here. Here I'm going to use the region, some sales. In the region part, if you see, since it's a string data type, we don't have the minimum, minimum, maximum, sum default functions. We have only group by, count, and count distinct functions here. So I'm going to use group by based on the regions, and in the cell, since it's an integer, we have other maximum, sum, average, these other 3 types. Okay, I'm going to get the minimum of sales and maximum of rent. Okay, so instead of putting into the destination, I just want to show you in using the multicast and data enabler. If you have any particular destination, you can load it into that directly. Okay, let me save it and run this. As you can see here, this is the data from the table regions, and this is after the aggregation process. So if you compare this, it is grouped based on the regions, like one USA, and sales is the minimum sales. So if you see sales, US has to the 1200 and 1540, so it's taking a minimum of the sales, and the rent is a maximum. So USA, the rent maximum is 200. So this is how it's going to aggregate the data. Okay, why can't we do it in the SQL itself? Most of the cases we can do it in the SQL server, but in case of where you are using the applications where it needs to load the data, the performance would impact the applications. So if we go for the aggregate transformations. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.